Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring power and firmware are ready because inconsistent power causes unpredictable behavior. Once charged above 50%, snap the primary nozzle into place and secure it with a clockwise quarter turn so seals align. Make sure vents and nearby materials are clear, then press and hold the power pad for 3 seconds to enter setup. You will see a steady blue LED. This indicates the unit has initialized and is ready for the next configuration step. Once the unit is powered, select Auto, Manual, or Pulse using the top dial because each mode changes control behavior. In Manual, choose intensity from 0 to 10 in single-step increments to fine-tune output. Small changes matter. Next, trigger the 30-second calibration cycle to stabilize internal sensors. Watch the display and wait for the second green tick that confirms stable readings. If values wobble, reduce intensity and repeat calibration until to complete setup. Press start and watch the metrics closely for the first 2 minutes so you catch anomalies early. Once the target is reached, press stop and wait 10 seconds before detaching the nozzle to avoid pressure spikes. If the device shows an error code or unstable output, restart it immediately, reattach the nozzle firmly, and run the calibration cycle again. This simple restart usually resolves sensor misreads and alignment faults without needing advanced repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.